Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best portable foldable mini washing machine review. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
The 8L Portable Small Foldable Washing Machine with Spin Dryer by Balashov is a compact yet powerful solution for washing small clothing items like socks, underwear, baby clothes, and more. Designed with convenience in mind, this foldable washer features a 29.5 by 29.5 by 29 centimeters capacity, perfect for homes with limited space, dorm rooms, or travel. With easy-to-use controls, it offers a 10 or 15-minute wash cycle and a 2-minute spin dry, making laundry quick and efficient. Its lightweight and foldable design ensures effortless storage, and the energy-efficient operation, US 110V, EU 220V, makes it ideal for everyday use. Perfect for delicate items, this washer provides a thorough clean without taking up too much space.